Hold it. Kept there. Slip you have still kept there. Okay. Now you can start.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Shadab Ahmed from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. My father, Mr. Mendiasan, is a farmer. My mother is a housewife. If I talk about my qualification, I have completed 10 plus 2 from UP board with 85% marks and now pursuing graduation. My hobbies are playing cricket and watching movies. In spare time, I read motivational books as Wings of Fire and Vikas Ka Vyaktitva. My mission to join Indian Air Force as an air warrior because it is my childhood dream. Today's topic is COVID-19. COVID-19 is a disease which has been spread all over the world. Due to COVID-19, many of people are suffering from it because it is a very big disease. It is a disease and spreading from the virus SARS-CoV-2. Due to this disease, all over economic has been totally burst. This is very bad for the country and all over the world. Due to this disease, all over has been locked down, and in this way, transport has been totally banned. In this way, pollution is also good. This is the best point of the COVID-19.
Now you have 10 seconds. Okay. You can think about that and thereafter you can start. If you have got the topic, keep listening. Now if you want, you can start.
Yes.
Okay, start.
Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Samji Singer. I am from Kanpur. I have completed my graduation from Kanpur University this year. And my father is a farmer, my mother is a homemaker. In my free time, I like to play cricket and reading the holy books also. And I want to join Indian Air Force because we get a chance at early age to serve our nations and improve the economic conditions of our family also. And Air Force also provides us many more adventurous life and many facilities which are very good. Today I come to the topic is women empowerment. According to my opinion, women empowerment is very important in our country because we live in 21st century and still in our country women have no respect and they are well treated. They are more harassment, facing more harassment in daily life. So it is necessary for the developing our country because we know that a vehicle which has two wheel more runs smoothly when both our wheels are equal moves and for developing the country we should try to our women educated and respected them, and also in this time women are respected in every sector and they get a job in armed forces and sports and politicians also. That is good for our country. Thank you very much.
Social media. शुरू करें? Good afternoon everyone. My name is Harshit Katia. I hail from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. My father's name is Mr. Pankaj Katia. He is a farmer. Now I am doing BSc from Kanpur University. Today's topic is social media. As we know that social media is now spreading day by day. Nowadays everybody use social media as he express his views. As we know that there are many types social media accounts are there. As we know that Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, there are many pros and cons of it. We can see that there are many pros. As if government launch any scheme, we can see it on YouTube, like Twitter, Instagram. But nowadays many young people are using it like dating apps. So it's very harmful because there are many child trafficking and sexual crime are happening are there. So I would like to say that social media is good, but it depends on a person, how a person manage it.
Should be good. Yeah.
Good afternoon, all of guys. My name is Aryan Sajan. I am from Ghatampur, Kanpur Nagar. My district Kanpur is famous for the Manchester of North India. I have completed my intermediate from UP Board, Prayagraj. My hobbies are playing outdoor games and listening music. I am cheerful and cooperative by the nature. I easily adjust with all kind of environment. Indian Air Force is the most respected job in our society, and is no reservation and no discrimination based on color, caste, religion, and selection purely on merit basis. I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to touch the sky's glory. We are gathered here for the group discussion, so I come to the topic is GST. First of all, we have to understand what is GST. GST means goods and service tax. It is an indirect tax paid by consumers. When they use or consume any goods or service, they pay the GST. And there was discussion on GST in Parliament on 2000, but it was fully implemented on GST. It was fully implemented in India on 1st July 2017. As we know, every coin has two sides, so same here, somewhere it is very useful and somewhere it is very harmful. Now we discuss its benefit. GST is very useful in economic growth of our India, because it's proved that GST is one of the best income source of our government, and that money is used for the growth of our country. And implement on GST in India, I have understand how much taxes are paid by us, and now we discuss its cons. Implement on GST in India, some product prices are increased, so it is an extra burden of low class people. At last, I would like to conclude by saying that GST is good, but in many cases, as some product prices are increased, so it is an extra burden of low class people. So we need to work to reduce pressure on low class people.
Very good.